Stop sending your audience to a third party app like Linktree, where you're just another name in a long list of all these links. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build your own personalized hub right inside of your domain so that you look professional, you can keep control of your traffic, and turn those clicks into clients. And the best part of all, it's actually simpler than you think. Now, if you've ever been on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, you've probably seen where people have that little link to learn more about them, but they're using something like Linktree or other similar third party tools to share their links. And it seems easy, right? But here is the problem: you're building using somebody else's brand. And you have limited customization. And worst of all, you're sending your hard earned traffic to a third party site that's not doing anything for your own website, your own SEO or authority. The better solution is do it on your own domain. So instead, what I want you to do is create your own branded link hub. It's just a simple web page on your own domain. And why? First, you can make it super polished, professional, have it match your brand, and it will build credibility in SEO. You can add way more links than most of these third party applications. You can even add your intro, a video, a service, whatever you want. And you can point people to an opt in lead magnet so that you can start collecting those leads. And the real bonus is you're the one that's in control. No rules, no ads, no third party monkey business. Okay. So let me show you mine here in just a minute. And you're going to see a nice clean intro at the top, a short description of who I am. I actually have added a quick little video here and some key actions that I want people to take. All right. So let me share my screen here. And as always, got to make sure that I'm sharing the right screen. And let me put this on and let me hop over here. So in this example, I just have a button at the very top. Let's chat. Quick little kind of an intro to what their problems are and how I help them. And I am actually directing them to a quick little video. I'm showing them, hey, in just 3 minutes, I'll show you how to turn that overwhelm into simple, streamlined business that you love. All right. Then also notice here at the bottom, super simple, just a quick little visual on some of the resources that I want to share. The beautiful part about this is if I want to swap out, right now I've got a lead magnet pointing people to a free task tracker. They can click the link. They can also click the little icon or the picture, and it will take them there. Takes them to my webpage. I have a little $50 webpage / SEO audit that I offer. I'm also pointing people to my YouTube channel, or if you had a free training someplace, I have a Digital Business Academy membership, or again, inviting people to come on board and let's have a quick little chat. All right. So let me come back here and look at you eyeball to eyeball again. So, as you can see, very clean, very targeted. Everything's in one place. It's branded, and I'm in control. Now, here's the fun part. I'm actually getting ready to go to a conference, and I'm going to be doing a lot of networking. So what I did was I created a simple little image that is on the front cover of my iPhone with a QR code. And guess what? People, I can just show them that and they can scan it and it will take them to my little resource linked hub here. Okay. So let me show you what that looks like. This is just a simple Canva document that I created. I created this little image on the background, and then I dropped it into an iPhone cover. And then what I did was I downloaded this as a PNG transparent background. And then I set this as my iPhone cover. And notice this QR code here. Guess what? They can just scan that and go ahead and scan it if you happen to be watching this right now. And it will take you to that page that I just showed you. All right. So how cool is that? Don't you love it? So I mean, I just talk about easy peasy. It's like your digital business card on your phone. Now, why does this work? It works better than a business card because people aren't going to lose it. It encourages that interaction. So when people like actually do something, studies have shown that there's a greater chance that they're going to be involved. Did you ever get those I don't know, things in the mail and they want you to scratch off those little things. The science behind it is people are more invested in something when they've actually done something. So here, the same theory, basically, when they scan that QR code, then they feel more invested to it. Okay. And the beautiful thing is it takes them right to my little resources, and hopefully they'll watch that video, because what am I trying to do? I'm trying to build a real relationship. There's so much fake stuff out there. And with the AI, people want the human connectivity. All right. So if you want to create one of these things, it's super simple. Just create a new page on your site, include your intro, the most important links that you want to share. If you want to generate a free QR code that points to it, that's super easy to do. Canva actually gives you that technology. If you are in my Digital Business Academy, or if you use my affiliate link for Go High Level, I will give you the template for these things. And the beautiful thing is this hub works 24/7 to connect people to my leads and my clients. And then what I'll do is, once I get that address, then I will post that every place. I'll put it at the footer of my emails. I'll put it at the the top little part of my Facebook and Instagram, LinkedIn, all of that kind of stuff. So to wrap up, don't rent space on someone else's platform. It's I want you to own your presence, build your brand, and make it ridiculously easy for people to take the next step with you. So if you found this helpful, please, as always, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and hey, let me know in the comments if you want me to share this exact template that I built on mine, that Canva template, and I'll be happy to share it with you. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.